Hello everyone, welcome to Serverless Web Development on AWS using Lambda by Peck Publishing. This course is co-created by Harish Garg and Mithun Lakshan Swami. I am Harish Garg. Mithun and I have been developing applications from a number of years. Mithun is a certified AWS cloud software developer, and I co-founded and run application development and training company. This course is about serverless web development on AWS using Lambda, REST, and JavaScript. This course teaches all these concepts in a very practical hands-on approach, avoiding lots of theory. We are going to show you the complete workflow of how to go about implementing a serverless web app using AWS. To follow along this course, you will need a Mac, Linux, or a Windows computer. You should know your way around a development IDE, and you should have some web development experience. In section 1, you will learn how to set up your AWS account and the development environment on your local machine for the serverless web development. You will also get a walkthrough of your newly created AWS account. In section 2, you will learn the concepts behind serverless application development and getting started with programming Lambda functions. You will learn how to create and configure your first Lambda function. You will also learn how to upload Lambda functions from your local machine to AWS. In section 3, you will learn how to set up the backend at AWS for serverless web app. You will learn how to set up the users and IAM roles on AWS. You will also learn how to set up a serverless database. In section 4, you will learn how to create an API for the web app from AWS API Gateway. You will see how to deploy a REST API for your Lambda function. You will learn how to modify your web app to connect it to AWS API. You will see how to validate the web app for the AWS integration. And finally, you will see how to clean up by terminating the unnecessary AWS resources. This course is suitable for anybody with a basic knowledge of web development and want to learn how to build and deploy serverless web applications. By the end of this course, you will know how to set up and configure your AWS account. You will know how to create Lambda functions. You will know how to set up users and roles in AWS. You will know how to create serverless databases. You will be ready to create and deploy new APIs on AWS, and you will be able to configure your web app to connect to the Lambda functions through AWS API Gateway. I hope that you enjoy this course. With the basics out of the way, we can jump right in and get started with our first section.